I've had my Melco machines for several years. In the beginning, I always said, hey, y'all should please get a touchscreen, because that's just what a lot of the home embroidery, that's what we're used to, the touchscreens. Obviously, Melco is a commercial machine, but they were definitely open to feedback from a lot of us. The touchscreen just makes life a lot simpler. It looks pretty, and besides looking pretty, it has all the technology in it as well, with the barcode scanner, has Mighty Hoops programmed in it. Obviously, the Melco brand itself does have the Active Feed, which is the auto tensioning system. There's no knobs, none of that confusing stuff. Makes things simple for those who are just getting started in their embroidery business, as well as those who have already been in it for so long and converting from a manual tension machine to the auto tension machine. It just tries to make that experience very user-friendly. So since I do have 8 ENT 16Xs and then 1 Summit, after I got the first Summit, I was like, no, I really like this. There's a way to just switch my machines, the X's up, and still get that touchscreen feature. Melco did come out with it. I was like, yes. So I decided to upgrade half of my machines to the Summit. So I do a lot of custom embroidery, especially baby stuff, lots of colors, and having it there on the screen for you just makes it super simple to catch any mistakes in terms of like a misspelled name, or I put the wrong thread color for a certain part of the design. It sits there and flashes for you when you're on each and every step. It literally makes the process so much simpler, especially when it comes to having someone else run the machines too, getting a new employee. And when they have everything sitting right in front of them, the experience is easier. Just doing embroidery in general can be confusing to some. It's like, oh, there's all these little settings you gotta change. Oh, you gotta make sure this thread color, you gotta make sure you choose the right hoop. Having a whole system that just makes it super simple and easy to use will make it easier to train your employees. There's like a question mark button on there, which is like the help. So they can click on that and it gives them through like a manual of exactly which each button means. That way they do not have to sit there and actually go online and flip through a manual. Everything is just there. Where you would expect the button to be like, well, how do I change a color? That looks like it might be it. Click that. It just makes it, there's no other word but easy. The other thing that makes this experience better is that you're not doing the upgrade yourself. The tech is gonna come out to you. He'll come to wherever you have your machine and he'll do the whole installation for you. So there's nothing you need to do. You don't have to be worried about touching anything. They'll make sure everything is up and running, smooth, simple, and easy for you. And that's included in the upgrade. So there's no additional fees for that. So my vision now for the business, now that we have the Summits upgraded, is to make it like a super simple user process in terms of like people can place orders on my website and we just print the orders, they have the barcodes on them, you just scan them in. It makes everything more efficient, easy to do. We can batch our orders. That's pretty much the vision here. A nice, clean process, the best way I can explain.